Hello friends, this is Amrutish and welcome to Welltech Speaks YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the basics of blogging and things to keep in mind while starting a blog. We will also explore the opportunities available as a blogger. Before we begin, I will request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and blog as it really helps in keeping us motivated to keep posting content on both the blog and the YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's understand what is a blog. Well, simply speaking, a blog is an interactive platform for content creators and bloggers to share information and express views on a wide range of subjects. To explain in brief, a blog may be used for various purposes, but the primary aim of the blog is to spread knowledge through content creation, which includes personal opinion, views shared online, which is spread with the aid of social media platforms. Now we'll look at the key points which one should keep in mind while starting a blog. Well, to begin with, let's look at the purpose. Well, it is very important to identify the specific purpose for which a blog is being created, the core category of the blog which it will cater to. The nature or category of the blog should be clear along with the contents which it will focus on. A fitness blog discussing about astronomy will be a deviation. Of course, off-topic content which supplements the core of the blog is always welcome. Focus should be on creating quality content and reaching the readers of the blog. Blog should not be created with the sole objective of earning income through it. Passion and dedication is required for the blog to succeed. Selection of platform is another important task associated while starting a blog. One may choose between the paid and the free platform based on the objective. Free platforms come with free hosting and subdomain, which may not be ideal for most or some of the bloggers, as the features and customizations are restricted. Paid platforms offer custom domain along with self-hosted blog, offering plethora of customizations and flexibility, which helps in extending the reach of the blog. Once the platform is decided, blog account and domain needs to be selected. Keep in mind, the domain should be in sync with the category of the blog. Avoid using long domain names or out-of-topic names to get better reach for the blog. Designing and blog customization should be as per the category to provide better and easy interface to the readers visiting the blog. After you have done all this, create and publish quality content on the blog on regular basis to reach out to the intended audience. Now we take a look at a brief comparison among the top 3 blogging platforms. Well, WordPress.org is a paid hosting platform, while Blogger.com and WordPress.com are free platforms. Both the free platforms are similar in terms of features and benefits. However, I am a little biased towards the Blogger as I started my blogging over there. Plus, Blogger offers excellent security and is a very easy platform for the beginners. WordPress.org is a paid platform offering high degree of customization along with other features which has enabled it to gain good market share in the online space. But one will be required to purchase the hosting as well as a custom domain name for their blog under WordPress.org. For instance, the likes of BigRock, GoDaddy, Bluehost are some of the accomplished WordPress hosting providers among many. For serious bloggers, going for a paid version is always recommended. As we all know, content is the king. Quality content is the backbone of any blog. Good content brings more readers to the blog while helping to expand the reach of the blog. Blogger should identify the important or the burning topics in their specific category and should work on them. Post selection of a topic, one needs to do extensive research. Content should express the views of the creator and his or her personal understanding of the topic. The content should be original and creator should refrain from posting copied content as it will adversely affect the ranking of the blog. Blog and the blogger should also keep in mind the targeted viewers and regularly publish quality content. For example, a fitness blog should focus on content related to health, sports, food, and fitness. Now we come to the most important discussion. Well, full-time blogging could be very tough and frustrating initially, as without considerable viewership and ranking, not many would be interested in collaborations and partnering the blog. So, to build a large viewer base along with good page rank, it is very important to create and publish quality content, failing which it will be very difficult for the blog to survive. Blogging offers great opportunity for many of us. Solopreneurs can grow a blog into a successful business. Blogging helps to create your own brand. One can easily earn through advertisements, referrals, collaborations, as these are some of the notable ways to earn revenue. Furthermore, blogging offers a lot of flexibility in terms of work-life balance, and one gets the liberty to do what you want to do, what you enjoy doing. So are the major benefits. Thanks and hope you enjoyed this video. I will request you to subscribe and follow for more such videos on Welltech Speaks. That's it from my end, and we'll come up with a new video very soon. Take care, guys.